Hello students, once again I am here with the topic understanding elementary shapes, and from there we will do revision work. Since we are having your exam, that's why these days I am doing revision work. So I have taken one question from your me and mine worksheet. So you can see over here, this is one question I have taken. Here it is written at how many points two line segment cut each other. So when we draw two line segment, what is the maximum number of, at how many points, maximum number of points they can cut each other? See, if I draw a line like this, let me draw another line. Here I can draw like this. So anyway I can draw, but the thing is that they will intersect at only one point, remember. So at how many points two line segment cut each other? They will cut each other at only one point. So it can be like this, it can be like this also, it can be like this also. So many ways it can be like this also it can cut. So but it will cut at only one point. So students, now hope you have understood this one. So at how many points two line segment cut each other? So you can draw line like this, they cut at this point. And if I draw like this, they will cut at this point. They will cut at this point. If I draw like this, they will cut at this point. If I draw like this, they will cut at this point. In that way, you can draw in any way, but those two line segments will cut at only one point, not more than one point. So now, students, let us go to the next question. Next question is this. So it is given that how many lines can be drawn through one point. Suppose one point is given over here. So how many lines can be drawn through this point? 1, 2, 3, 4. In this infinite number of lines can be drawn through one point. Remember, students. So next question, let me draw. Let me do next question. It is given that two lines intersect each other at a point. Two lines intersect each other at a point. What we call this? What we call the point? What we call the point? So if the two lines, what name is given to the point? What name is given to the point? What name I will give to that point? When the two lines intersect each other at a point, what we call this? There is a name of this point. The name of this point we call point of intersection. We call this, the name of the point is point of intersection. Remember, students. So what name is given to the point? The name given to the point is point of intersection. Now students, let me take another question from the same worksheet, same chapter. So question is like this. Suppose this is the diagram. So now if I say that like this, M, N, this is O, this is A, B, C. So now this is the marking I have given over here. How will you name this angle? This is a triangle. This is a triangle. This is a new thing I am giving you, students. This is the triangle. these all are interior angles. What I say? This is a triangle. And these all are interior angles. So now, these all are exterior angles. These all are exterior angles. So now, how can you name this exterior angle? How will I name this exterior angle? So, I will name it angle BCN. See, BCN. This is the exterior angle. Now, how will I name this angle? Angle CAM. Angle CAM. How will I name this angle? ABO. ABO. So these are the names are given to those angles. Or in this way, we can write the names of the angle. Okay, students. Now, so these are the two examples I have taken from your textbook, students. So now, one more question. See, students, we have learned about circle, radius and diameter. So now, suppose if the radius diameter is 24 centimeter, what will be? I'm asking now, I'm not asking you the radius. What measurement will you get? Will you get if it is 1/4 of it? I say that what measurement will you get if this is 1/4 of it? That means 1/4 of this measurement I am asking. What measurement will you get if it is 1/4 of? If it is 1/4, not of it. If it is 1/4. If this measurement is 1/4, what will be the measurement? So now what will I do? 1/4 of 24. It means 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6 centimeter. So 1/4 of this means what? 1/4 of 24. It means that 24 by 4. So I will divide this 24 by 4. I will get 6 centimeter. So students, these 3 questions today I have taken from Me and Mind worksheets. So hope students you have understood these questions, and you please go through the videos properly, and I have already given you the up to where your unit test, the chapters for unit test up to 5.7 exercise. So students, and one more request is there, students, please register in your Google Classroom on your name, not on your parents' name. So it becomes very difficult for us students. So hope students you have understood this. Go through the video. Thank you and have a nice day.